it's me, Jade, and welcome to another Japanese lesson. Today we're going to be doing the descriptions exercise that Genki has given us so we can practice describing people based off of the lesson so far. So Genki has given us this cute little drawing of people and their information. It's our job now to make sentences to describe them. So let's start with nationality. I'll give the first one for you, which is for Mary. We're going to be polite about these people and we're going to add suffixes, which I previously taught in this video here, to the end of their names. So we're going to be using san for the most part, except for the teacher who will be sensei later on. So as we can see, Mary is American. So we're going to make the sentence, Mary is American. Mary-san wa アメリカ人です。Mary さんはアメリカ人です。I would like you to do number 2. Please tell us about Takeshi. Alrighty. Takeshi さんは日本人です。Takeshi さんは日本人です。Okay, let's move on to person number 3. Sue. And they've even written it below for you in case you're not sure of her nationality. So how do you say Sue is Korean? That's correct.
スーさんは韓国人です。スーさんは韓国人です。
Right, tell us that Robert is British. Okay, ロバートさんはイギリス人です。ロバートさんはイギリス人です。Okay, and finally, 山下先生。山下先生は日本人です。山下先生は日本人です。Good, you've passed round 1. Okay, next we're going to be describing what year they are in. So just a quick reminder, you would say the number plus nensei to describe the year that someone is in. By year they mean grade as well, in case people aren't understanding that. To say Mary is in the second year, it would be Mary-san wa 2年生です. Mary-san wa 2年生です. I would like you to describe Takeshi. Okay, Takeshi-san wa 4年生です。4年生です。Not 4年。4年生です。How about Sue? Please tell me that Sue is in the third year. Okay, did you get it right? Sue さんは3年生です。Sue さんは3年生です。Okay, tell me that Robert is in the fourth year, please. Okay, ロバートさんは4年生です。ロバートさんは4年生です。Okay, and Yamashita sensei isn't in any year, so you're off the hook for that one. Next, we're talking about how old they are. I'll do the first one for you. Mary is 19 years old. Mary さんは19歳です。Mary さんは19歳です。Don't forget adding sai to the end means age, yeah? Years old for us. So please tell me that Takeshi is 22. Okay, Takeshi さんは22歳です。Takeshi さんは22歳です。If you don't know your numbers, then go and check them out here. How do you say Sue is 20? Okay, this is kind of a trick question because you can say 20歳, but there is also an official way of saying 20 years old, which is 20歳. 20歳. So, スーさんは20歳です。スーさんは20歳です。Please tell me that Robert is 22. That's right. ロバートさんは22歳です。ロバートさんは22歳です。And please tell me that Yamashita sensei is 47. Okay. 山下先生は47歳です。山下先生は47歳です。Okay, here's where it starts to get a little trickier in sentence formation. You're going to tell me whether they are a student or a teacher at which university they are a student or a teacher at. Okay? Hey, editing Jade at your service. This video is insanely long and I think it's going to break people's brains. So I'm splitting it up into 2 parts. Make sure you catch part 2 next time. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment or questions down below and subscribe to see more. See you in part 2. Bye guys! Mwah!